Coming on this tour has been completely eye-opening for me. There's so much that I've learnt in theory that I just haven't had a chance before to see in reality. Seeing kids and communities and working with people that are empowering women and communities in Nepal has been absolutely life-changing.
I think I'll go back to Australia with a greater appreciation of what we have and the things we don't have to worry about just day to day.
It just completely took us out of our comfort zones and really showed us how other people in the world live. It showed us what community is all about and looking after each other, not just constantly striving for the dollar.
I was drawn to come on this tour to learn more about the culture in Nepal and also to be inspired and understand people's resilience and empathy and appreciation that they have for life. That's certainly been fulfilled. The tour has been more than I could have ever asked for.
It's a great way to have insight into what's going on in a country rather than just being a tourist going by in a bus.
In actual fact, there's been nothing that's been a highlight. The whole thing's been a highlight for me, and I'd recommend it for anyone who wants to experience another culture on a very grassroots level.